Well, it is Hour of Code Week, a time when everyone is encouraged to spend just 1 hour trying their hand at coding a computer, app, or even a robot. And before you say, I can never do that, well, Brian Hickey introduces us to a class at Whitney High School that teaches students to do this and much more.
Open this door and get a Christmas surprise. This small device and the program behind it are opening doors for students at Whitney High School.
So have you done anything like this before?
No, not really.
Yeah. Did you ever think you'd be able to do something like this?
No, not until this year.
This is Mr. Pointer's Introduction to Computer Science class, where students are learning not only to code, but use the language to build real devices.
If you first learn it, it's a little hard, but if you keep on pushing yourself to do it, you could accomplish stuff.
This week is Hour of Code, a week that encourages everybody to try coding, even just a simple game or app. There are plenty of online activities. Here, students are using Blockly. It's a graphical programming language, along with robotics hardware from Rocklin-based Parallax Incorporated to do big things.
So when you have everything represented graphically, you just drag it out and then configure it, and it speeds up the whole process immensely.
So you can take a student who doesn't have any experience programming, and they can write a program in a class period that actually performs and does something that they want it to do.
And along the way, getting exposed to a career in computer sciences.
Programs like this one were funded through Proposition 51 and the California Technical Education Incentive Grant, a grant that teachers can apply for to buy this kind of equipment. In Rocklin, Brian Hickey, KCRA 3 News.